We have so many languages, more than 30 different languages, and people just don't understand each other. Take Islam and me. We have different languages, come from different backgrounds. Islam is Lak and I'm Avar. When we talk, it's not like it's a dialect. We don't understand each other at all. But since Islam has been with us for nearly 25 years, he actually picked up some Avar over time. But anyway, the deep history of the region, it all left its mark. It created many different languages and traditions. Basically, of course, Islam is our primary religion, but Dagestan has actually absorbed a lot of cultures and faiths. Even our food culture, it is incredibly rich. We have European and Asian and Caucasian, our own unique cuisine. So, on the people themselves, the last 1500 years of history have left a huge mark. If you're into history and you start reading about Dagestan, I think you'll get completely immersed and be amazed by what a unique place it is.